Hello everybody, it's me. This video is going to be about the chip for cryptocurrency that Microsoft has kind of been releasing information about. Also, I'm going to try and talk a bit louder because I've been getting comments that people cannot hear my videos, so I'll try and figure something out about that. But anyways, yeah, Microsoft has released a kind of like an outline for a chip for that will help generate cryptocurrency. Basically, you get it and then you get assigned a task like watch ads. I have a list of tasks that I will read in a bit, and it will figure out if you did that task by measuring something about your body, for example, like brainwaves, and then it will award you cryptocurrency. There's no say on what the cryptocurrency is. I got my information from patentscope.wipo.int, so they didn't say which cryptocurrency it'll be, so it's probably not going to be like Bitcoin. It's probably going to be possibly a new cryptocurrency that's launched with this. A quote from the website that talks about exactly what it might do. It says, quote, Sensor 140, which is just the name for it, may include, for example, but not limited to, functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, scanners or sensors, electroencephalography, EEG sensors, near-infrared spectroscopy, NIRS sensors, heart rate monitors, thermal sensors, optical sensors, radio frequency RF sensors, ultrasonic sensors, cameras, or any other sensor or scanner that can measure or sense body activity or scan human body. For instance, the fMRI may measure body activity by detecting changes associated with blood flow. The fMRI may use a magnetic field and radio waves to create detailed images of the body, e.g., blood flow in the brain to detect areas of activity. So, yeah, it does sound kind of scary because, I mean, it is like your body and stuff. I do think, I do recall, I think my mom talked about something like this a while back, and there's been a lot of talk over where this chip will go. I believe my mom's, I don't know where my mom got the information from. I think it was just like, I don't know, but it said like right here in the web right here. I don't know. A lot of people are saying it's in the brain. I've been on 4chan a bit in the past few days, and of course they're kind of freaking out about this. And yeah, a lot of them are saying in the brain. And obviously there is a lot of like conspiracies about this, as it is pretty, I would say, intrusive. And a lot of people are saying, of course, oh, you're gonna be mandated to get it. You're gonna mind control and stuff like that. And interestingly enough, I have not connected it to the vaccine that apparently Bill Gates might be making. I know a lot of people are saying that that's going to not be good, but I didn't find any information about that. Now, whether there is a connection or not, I can't say for certain. I might have to make a different video about that, but yeah, as of right now, I'm not too sure about that. There's a list of example tasks that you may do. I don't think any of these are for certain set in stone, but it is just a list to get an idea of what is going to be. The quote, the tasks include, for example, but not limited to, watching or listening information, like an advertisement, for a certain time, using services like search engine, chatbot, email, social media/networking service, and any internet or web service, uploading or sending information/data to a website, a server or a network, e.g., content sharing website and cloud network or server, or any other information or service which may produce effects on users. In a blockchain, the task may be included as a transaction in the public ledger. So yeah, basically, it's all just like on the internet, and it's to get you like involved. Using the internet, using search engines, using email and stuff like that. Yeah, I do think it's kind of intrusive and kind of scary. I am like a sci-fi fan, so from that perspective, it does seem cool and futuristic. But I mean, realistically, it is kind of scary. They're putting a chip in you to see like what you do and stuff, or just measure if you do the task that it gives you. Now, of course, a lot of people are saying, "Oh, it's going to be used to track you. It's going to be used on all that." And I mean, if you believe the conspiracy about like phones tracking you and stuff like that, then I mean, is this any different? Because I mean, if you already have a phone, then yeah. So just like kind of about that, it's gonna measure, see if you do tasks. Again, the cryptocurrency, they haven't said so whether it might ever actually be worth anything or how much you get or something. That hasn't been said. But I did find information on this leading back to, I believe, 2018 is when they first put in applications for this. So this has been in I guess the mindset of them for quite a while, almost 2 years probably. So this isn't anything new for them. I guess obviously this is new for us as we're just now getting the information about this. But yeah, I do think it's pretty weird. Like I said, I can't find any connection to the vaccines or whatever. I might, of course, have to go back and look, but I didn't really see anything. I'll probably leave the website in the description, as I know some of you probably want to go through it and look. I didn't understand a whole lot of this stuff, not because it's like weird conspiracy or anything like that, just because it has to do a lot of technology, and I'm not the best with that. So if you understand it, then you can probably understand a lot more about this. But yeah, nothing about it being mandatory, nothing about it doing anything like that. Now, of course, what's on the website and what actually happens may vary, but as of right now, on the website, it does not say anything about it being mandatory or in a vaccine or anything like that. Another point that a lot of people don't really like is I believe the publication number is 060606, and of course that's kind of not the best number. It is a bit odd. Now, of course, whether it actually means anything, it's up for says. I don't know. I just tried to say there, but yeah, it's up for grabs, whatever it means. But yeah, that's the information I found on the chip for cryptocurrency that Microsoft has in the works, I guess. And yeah, I know the last half of my videos tend to not be like as coherent, but that's just because I mostly go through. I have like little notes that I make, and I mostly just go through that in the first half. So the second half is just me improving it. But yeah, that's the information I got. And yeah, I do think it's a bit scary. I do think it's a bit odd. I mean, if it's not mandatory, then it's your choice. And a lot of people are saying that they're not going to get the vaccine when it first comes out. I'm not sure if I agree with that because, yeah, of course it's going to be a little bit rushed as it is pretty time relevant as the coronavirus is only getting worse. But if it does come out, then that means it probably has been like tested a lot and stuff. So most likely it will be safe. Obviously, you can't be 100% certain, but yeah. So whether you do get it or not, that's your choice. But if you don't, please still be social distancing and stuff, so to help prevent the spread. And yeah, that's all. Yeah, sorry for not making a video in a while. It's like I said, it's just between homework and procrastination. I'm not sure if I said this in this video or if I said it because I do like a little rehearsal before, but I'm gonna try and do one video a week, so hopefully I can help me get consistent with making videos and stuff. And yeah, I'm probably getting this video here because it's almost 9 minutes. And yeah, just thank you guys for watching. Bye.